This is replacing the battery for an APC unit. The model number is BX850M-LM60. If it starts beeping that it's low battery, it's time to change the battery. I'll leave the links in the description below. On the bottom of the unit, there is a latch where you can slide it open, and that's where you're going to find your battery unit. It's very easy to install. The battery itself has a red plug and a white plug, so you can just slide the panels, the red onto the red and the white onto the white. And once you do that, you can just slide it in. This battery goes in vertically, so once you slide it in, you should be able to close the compartment. And once you close the compartment, you can plug your unit or your device back in, and it's as easy as that. I use genuine batteries from APC. I will leave the links in the description below.